In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a new listing on Facebook Marketplace. This guide will walk you through each step so you can easily sell your items online, capturing the attention of potential buyers. Whether you're decluttering your closet or starting a small business, the Facebook Marketplace can be a powerful tool. The first step in this process is to navigate to the Facebook Marketplace. You can do this by opening a search engine like Google and searching for Facebook Marketplace. Once you find the link, click on it to open the Marketplace page. This is your starting point for connecting with people who are interested in buying what you have to offer. Now that you're on the Marketplace page, look for the option that says Create New Listing. Click there to proceed. This will take you to a new screen where you can choose the type of listing you want to create. For our purpose today, we'll click on Item for Sale. This option allows you to list physical items that you're looking to sell. Once you've selected Item for Sale, it's time to make your listing visually appealing. Click on Add Photos. This step is crucial because high-quality images can significantly influence a buyer's decision. Make sure to take clear and well-lit photos of your item from different angles and upload them here. With your photos uploaded, it's time to add some details about your item. Start by typing in the variety of your item. Be specific about what you're selling. This could include brand names, specific clothing lines, or unique characteristics that set your product apart. The more detailed you are, the easier it is for potential buyers to find your listing through search. Next, type 1,000 as the price of the item. In this example, we're using 1,000 as a placeholder, but ensure to input the actual value of your item. Be realistic with your pricing to attract genuine interest while ensuring you get a fair price. After setting the price, you'll need to categorize your item. Click on Category, which allows you to select from various options that best describe what you're selling. For this walkthrough, we'll choose Women Clothing and Shoes. This helps your listing appear in the right searches and attract the right buyers. Condition is another important aspect of your listing, so click on Condition and then select New. This indicates that the item hasn't been used, which can be a major selling point for buyers looking for new products. With all these details filled in, click Next to review your listing. Make sure everything looks good and that you've added all relevant information. Once you're satisfied, the last step is to click on Publish. Your listing is now live on Facebook Marketplace, ready to reach countless potential buyers. Thank you for following along with this tutorial. Now you can confidently create and publish listings on Facebook Marketplace, setting you on the path to becoming a successful online seller. Happy selling!